Here's the big problem. You've been told as an AE to set big income goals, big sales targets to go after, but nobody told you exactly what you need to do every single day to actually get to that number. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to calculate what you need to do on a daily basis so you can hit the income numbers you want to go after, whether it's 250K, $500,000, $1 million plus, or even more. And if you say at the very end, I'll even give you the tools you can download completely free so you can use it within seconds, so exactly where you need to be at every single day. Hey, I'm Recession, CEO of Bentley Consulting Group, in which we help AEs and sales teams blow out their sales targets and absolutely crush it in sales. So let me jump behind my screen. Let's dive right into the tool. Now, before you start using this tool, you need to know a few basic numbers. You need to know your actual total revenue goal that you want to go after. You also want to know what your overall total compensation goal that you're going after. That's your base, that's your spiffs, your accelerators, your bonuses, etc. All add together into one singular number. Now, I know what you're thinking out there. Some of you are thinking, well, my compensation is pretty complex. It's hard to kind of figure out. We'll just take a few minutes, go through it so you have a basic understanding of how it overall works and look at what you want to go after. So for instance, if you want to hit 200% to your target, what would that number look like for your total income? Or simply, if you want to earn, say, $500,000, what would you have to be at in your comp plan to actually get to that point? And you just need a basic idea, because ultimately, this gives you direction to work towards. It makes it much simpler. So once you have the overall number, you also need to know some of your basic numbers, such as your average deal size. Now, I know some of you are going to say out there, well, it ranges because I sell deals that are small to big. It depends on the company size. Totally get that. Just get an average to work off of. Be conservative to make it a little bit easier. You also need to know your closing ratio. Now, specifically, this is your win rate where you take your number of closed deals, divide by number of discovery calls. Now, if you start at a brand new company, totally fine. Just take your prior win rate as a baseline. And the cool part is the more accurate numbers you have, and over time, as you update this tool, it'll get more and more precise. But if you already have all your numbers, it'll be very, very precise. You also want to know what your phone booking ratio is. So how many dials do you need to make to book a single meeting? You need to know what your show-up rate is, and also your average number of dials per hour. And also on top of this, your number of full working weeks. So you want to back out vacation weeks. And this is really, really important because ultimately you can make $1 million plus, but if you are working 52 weeks, you never take a vacation, you don't get to hang out with family and friends and do the things you enjoy, and you're working 80 hours a week, it's not worth it, in my opinion. So with this tool, it'll help you reverse calculate all these numbers so you know exactly what you need to do. So let's go through an example. So let's just say, for example, if my revenue goal, let's just say, for instance, is $2.5 million, okay? Let's say my annual total compensation plus base commission bonuses is going to be, let's just say it's $500,000. And let's say my average deal size, let's just say it's $55,000, all right? Let's take a look at my win rate. Let's just say I have an okay win rate. Let's just say I'm at 20% win rate right there. Let's say my phone booking ratio, so number of dials per booked meeting, let's just say it's 10 for now. And say my average show-up rate, let's just say it's decent at 85%. Average number of dials per hour, let's say I can make $15 per hour. And let's just say I want to take at least 4 vacations this year, so let's say 48 working weeks. So here's a really cool part. If in order for me to close $2.5 billion, earn $500,000 plus with these baseline numbers, that means this year I will need to onboard at least 45 new accounts this year. That means I need to book at least 262 meetings, we're going to round up. And that means I need to generate at least 14 million plus in pipeline. I need to make at least 2,600 dials. And I need to process for at least 175 hours for the year. So you might look at like, wow, that seems like a lot, but let's break it down even more. This is a cool part about these Moneyball metrics is, okay, let's go take a look. How many total hours of prospecting is required per week? Well, actually, it's actually just under 4 hours per week. Now, isn't 4 hours much more digestible than saying I need to generate 14 million in pipeline? Okay. If we break them on a daily basis, that's basically 1 hour per day. We always want to round to give you a bigger buffer. That means each week I need to generate at least 6 meetings based off these numbers, which generate just over 1 meeting a day, right? And then number of dials required, that means per week I need to make at least 55 dials per week or at least 11 dials per day. So you can see how powerful this tool can be because it takes your overall big numbers you're going after. Because maybe, let's say, for example, you've never closed 2.5 million, you never made $500,000 plus, and you're like, oh, that's a really hard pill to swallow. It's like, how do I get started? Well, now when you know your numbers, you can reverse calculate and say, okay, you know what? I just need a prospect for basically an hour per day. I need to book just over a meeting a day. I need to make at least 11 dials per day. And obviously, if you're better than you actually think you are, then your numbers become even easier. But here's a really, really cool part about this tool, because this also gives you a way to work towards the right inputs to lead to the right outputs. You also know now, regardless whether that you book a meeting or not, every dial you make, you actually make $191 per dial with these numbers. So even people hang up on you, they give you rejection, you're like, on to the next one, no big deal, because you know every call you make, you're actually making $191 an hour, right? Assuming your math is right, that you actually know your numbers here. So this is a really cool tool. So here's the second part to the equation. Let's just say, for example, these are your current metrics right here. But you also realize, shoot, like I can definitely work on some of my skills to get better. Let's just say we want to keep the goals exactly the same. And let's just say, for example, you want to work on targeting larger opportunities, but also being far better at essentially selling a full value proposition so you can actually increase your overall deal size. And this is really powerful, especially if you sell a solution that offers multiple products and services, and instead of just getting a little bit and you focus on selling a fully comprehensive solution or better penetration of your accounts into new departments, new divisions, new product lines, etc., so you can actually increase the overall deal size, that can have a drastic impact to your overall income and also your level of work. But let's just say, for example, here, we're going to keep the goal exactly the same, but you get really skilled at actually increasing your overall deal size, which really breaks down to how well you actually run a discovery process, to how well you multi-thread, to how you engage stakeholders, etc. So let's just say, for example, you get this deal size, let's call it $75,000. Even with only just that change right there, you can see how powerful this becomes, because now your number of hours that you are prospecting is actually down to 3 hours per week. If we're going to round down here. And your number means that only 4 means per week, right? Which number of dials is really 40 per week or 8 per day. So you can see how powerful this can be, because this is why sales is actually a skills game, not a numbers game, even though this is a numbers tool. Let's just say, for example, you also become far better in the whole process that I mentioned, right? So you can also increase your overall win rate. This is what happens, right? So a lot of reps we work with, they'll actually increase not just their deal size drastically by 2, 3, 4, or 5, even 10x, but their win rate also drastically goes up as well. So let's just say you get up to a 30% win rate. Again, you can see the magic of this, because now suddenly all these numbers are getting better and better and better. So now you really just need 2 hours of prospecting per week, okay? And number means only really less than 3 meetings per week required, or 3, I think numbers mean book per week. You need to make basically 27 dials per week, which is basically 6 per day. And that means now every dial you make, you're actually making over $390 per dial, even if they say no. Now, again, this only works if you are highly skilled in increasing your overall skill set for the whole sales process. Because, again, this is a skills game. And you can see how powerful this can be, because we can definitely work on the phone booking rate. For example, we'll just leave it at 10 for now. But say you get better at having a high show-up rate. So, for example, my team, over the last 6 months, we've averaged a 98% show-up rate because of what we execute. And our clients average over 90% show-up rate. So let's say you get to 90% right there. Boom. So now you can see how powerful that can be here, where these numbers get better and better and better once you can actually increase your overall skills. But let's just say, for example, even if you did not do anything, you get things exactly the same, you now know what you need to do on a daily basis. So just to really hit this point home, let's go ahead and do another example. Let's just say, for example, you want to close $1.5 million, all right? And let's just say, for example, maybe your income goal is, let's just say it's going to be, we'll make it a little bit lower this time. Let's just say you want to do a 350, because maybe you've never passed $250,000 and it's a big jump to jump to $500,000. Let's say it's 350. Let's just say your deal size, we'll just keep it at 50K to make it simple. Let's just say your win rate is 28%. We'll keep everything else the same. Again, as you can see how powerful this can be, this high-level metrics tells you what you need to do overall for the year, but the daily and weekly is the powerful stuff. It's like, cool, now I need basically prospect, let's call it 2 hours per week, basically half, at least less about an hour per day. I need to generate at least 3 meetings per week, which is basically 1 per day. Number of dials required, 25 per week or 5 per day. Again, this is a very, very powerful tool that can help you get to where you want to go. All right. Now, here's the thing though. This is a little asterisk. You must use numbers that are real to you. Otherwise, if you just put in fake numbers in there and you just try to run this plan, obviously you're not going to get to where you want to go. Okay, like if you actually only have a win rate, say you want to earn $350,000, and you act, you're like, all right, well my win rate, I want to be 28%, but I'm actually at 15%. But you're trying to run the numbers for this. Well, obviously you need to do very different activities as a result, right? And this is why I see the issue is a lot of times is most sales leaders, when their team is not highly skilled, they just say, let's just crank the number and activity up, right? Which is a terrible way to actually try to get to your numbers. The best way is actually increasing your skills over time. Now, obviously, you need to do repetitions to also increase your skills. Ideally, you have coaching and support to help get you there. Just playing the numbers game is a fast way to get burnt out, and it's a fast way to work 80 hours a week and basically hate your life and completely quit sales. So there you have it, a really, really simple tool. If you want to copy this tool, just head below. You can download a copy of this tool. Now, if you want our help, you're an AE who want our help to earn the income you want to get, increase your overall skills to hit the numbers you want to get at, go ahead and book a call below as well. Or if you're a sales leader and you want our help to coach and train your team to actually use this tool properly, but also on top of that, increase their skills so they can blow out their sales targets, go book a call below as well. If you want to see how one of our clients 4x their win rate and almost 10x their average deal size for the entire team, check out this next video right here.